Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Colvin with Single to Do. We just came from an amazing place in Marble Falls, Texas. It's called Retreat Ranch. We went there for a candle making workshop and we just stumbled across a jewel. It's a treasure. It's a family-owned business and it's a perfect intimate venue for retreats, family gatherings, weddings, and the property actually sleeps 32 people, and they have wood-burning saunas, hot tub, dipping pools, horses, a meditation area, outdoor pavilion, and they offer monthly workshops. The next workshop that's coming up is January the 12th from 6 to 8 p.m. It's a horseshoe intentional workshop. That means that you actually get to use the horseshoes from their horses, and they are actually repurposed where you can actually make your own individual gift that's very special. And you know, a horseshoe has 7 holes, and 7 is a magical number, very special number. We enjoyed meeting Shannon Jamal and her family. We learned so much about making candles. We learned about, what a person is actually called. And many, many years ago, that actually was the gatekeeper of candles. And they actually were called chandeliers. That was actually a name of an occupation for the person that took care of the candles. But it was a lovely setting, and we can't wait to go back. If you want to attend any of their workshops, please check it out on singletodo.com. And we have a sign-up page so we can prepare and let them know we're coming. But if you ever want to check it out, they are on Facebook, and their email address is info@theretreatranch.com. It was amazing, guys. We look forward to going back. Have a wonderful day.
A month or every other month we'll have a special workshop. So the next workshop that's coming up is a horseshoe intention workshop. So we have our horseshoes from our horses, which that makes them more special, in my opinion. And you get to design a design with it. It's almost kind of like a dream catcher type thing, but you're using a horseshoe.
Awesome.
You're gonna create, you can create, and we're going to have all kinds of things that you can do to create your intentional horseshoe.
So for right now, it's just staying out here at the ranch.
Yep.
And then just enjoying the amenities that you have out here.
Yep. We have tons of amenities that Josh helps keep running for us.
Awesome.
Runs around.
Yes, our hot tub and sauna and hammock lounges and just hanging out here.
We're on the outside of Retreat Ranch, and we're enjoying the nice fire, and we just want to show you guys before we leave what it was like. The ambience was great. Shannon was a wonderful instructor. She teaches you everything that you need to know about candle making, and this is what the ranch looks like toward the nighttime. Nice fire. They have a cowboy pool, hot tubs, everything. Horses. This is a nice place.